Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar. In case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do click that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. So yes, today's video is all about trying the neon Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So I just bought them like last weekend, and when I saw them like at the store, I just thought that I should try out this palette because like these shades look so gorgeous, you guys. So this is the palette, and these are these gorgeous shades out there, you guys. These are all neon-y kind of shades. So basically there are three palettes in this collection. One is the pink obsessions, the other is the orange obsessions, and then I think there's like green obsessions. So there are like three variants in this collection. So I just bought this one, the orange obsessions. So I just thought that okay, let me just try out the one palette first. So yeah, I don't have clue about like what look I'm gonna go today, do today. So I'm just kind of doing some first impressions and trying out the look just like in front of you guys. So just whatever comes like randomly there. Yeah, and if I just have to compare it with the previous Huda Beauty palettes, I just have these obsessions, the previous obsessions palettes as well. I am in love with them, guys. Like I had like two obsessions palettes, the ruby obsessions and the amethyst obsessions. So like these are the ones. So this packaging is entirely different from this one. I mean, like you just get the same number of shades, but this has like a cardboard kind of packaging, and this one has like a plastic packaging, which I absolutely loved, just because I liked this packaging. But if I just have to compare, I always love plastic packaging over like cardboard packaging, because we're just putting like a lot of money into a palette. I just feel that when you get that plastic packaging on, it kind of feels like more luxurious and also more handy and more safe to carry when you're traveling or something. So yeah, this again comes with a mirror, and every shade in their range comes with outer packaging like this, representing the name. Like for suppose this is an orange obsessions palette and it has got orange packaging style, and then the green obsessions has a green packaging style, the pink obsessions has a pink packaging style. So just it's just like that. So let's just try out the beautiful neon colors right now on my brown wheatish complexion. So now I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush, and I just want to take the shade so yeah, I just want to take this shade right over here. It's a kind of pale orangey kind of color, and I'm just gonna apply this on my crease. So I'm just slowly building that color on my crease. Now I'm going to take up this color and I'm going to apply that on the crease and also on the outer V area as well. So I'm just applying it on the outer V and also blending that into the crease as well. When I just compare it to the previous palettes, guys, I just feel like these shadows are a little powdery. So because those shadows are like very buttery, the previous palettes, like the previous obsessions palettes, but when I just compare with them, like these are like slightly, they have like a powdery feel to it. So I just feel like working with them was like a lot more easier when compared to these one. I just feel like, is it because of the colors or like because of the formulation? I'm just having a doubt with that, but I felt like easy to work with those shadows, and those felt like a little more buttery than these shades. I'm just slowly packing that color in the crease, guys, until I get that desired intensity of that shade over there. But I just love the way these are like looking on my skin. I really don't even, I just couldn't believe that, you know what, neon colors can complement the whitish complexion. These are like doing a pretty good job. And you just have to work with them like really well, guys. You just have to do some good blending with them, because as I told you, these are like little like powdery than the previous palettes. You just have to work with them for a good amount of time to kind of blend these shades out. So now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush, the MAC 217 brush, and I'm just blending that that color so that it gives more diffused look. As usually, guys, with just like the all other palettes, you know what, these shimmer shades doesn't really work well with a dry brush, so you just have to use a wet brush or with your fingers. So today I'm just gonna take a wet brush, and for that I'm just taking my flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna spray some MAC Fix Plus on that. And I'm gonna take this color. I don't know, like I just feel like I want to play with this color today, this neon-y color today, and I don't know how it's gonna look on my complexion, so just like let's check it out. So I'm just taking like this shade right over here, and I'm gonna place that on my lid. Oh. Okay, guys, so I just figured it out. I think it's better if I do like a halo eye kind of makeup look with these shadows. Okay, so I'm just gonna do same for the other eye, and I'm gonna do a halo eye now.
Looks the best for these shades. These are not like shimmer shades. So
I'm just taking this again and I'm gonna apply that on my outer region, also on my inner area. Now I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending that out. So I'm just going back with the same green color now. So I'm just taking this shade and I'm gonna apply that on my bottom lash line, guys. Whoa, it's like so damn pigmented, and just like a the dry brush. I'm just leaving like a gap in between these two, because I'm just gonna apply another shade in there. I'm gonna take up this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna place that between these two shades. I didn't expect that this palette would work this great, because especially this colors, I didn't expect that these colors would work fine on the British brown complexion. I just felt that, you know, these may like wash out the Indian complexion and like the wheatish brown complexion, but surprisingly they work super good, and they show like super good on my wheatish complexion. And I just like really liked it, like the way that the shimmer shade over here, it's like, you know, that's like popping out. I just like loved it. You have got like so much neon on there, girl. It's not like making you look like that. I actually kind of liked it, and I also like the, you know, the matte shades as well. But the only thing that I found is that, you know, these shades need a little more blending than the previous palettes. You just have to work a little more well with these shades. So they need a little bit work. You just have to blend a bit more well. So yes guys, and now I'm just gonna go with the mascara, and for the mascara I'm just taking my NARS Climax mascara, and I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with that. So later we'll go on with the falsies. So that's the look, you guys. I've just added some Huda Beauty Samantha false lashes, and I really liked how these shadows are like complementing the brown skin well. And yeah, I actually liked everything about this shadows except the fact that you need a little bit of working with these shadows when you just compare it with the previous palettes. I think it's because of the the colors, because I think these are like neon colors and they need a bit of working when you're just working on the skin. So yeah, that's it. It's such a beautiful palette, and I'm really looking forward to try the other palettes as well, and just love to create some neon-y looks with that. I'm actually loving the eye makeup. It's not overpowering, it's not at all overpowering. It's something like really wearable, and I didn't know till date that neons are a kind of wearable shades. So these look so pretty. I just feel like these are one of the beautiful palettes out there in the market right now, because you are getting like some stunning neon shades out over here.